Tell your bowheads hi. Go. You're on live YouTube. Hey guys, so this is the cute little food truck that we're at. I don't know what the girls are gonna get, but we love, love, love this food truck. We always come here. What are you gonna get? Look.
What am I gonna get?
Zaria, you gotta come back this way. You see? Isn't it cute? Come here. So tonight they're gonna have a movie night on the lawn. Super cool. Space Jam. All right, talk. Talk to your friends. Go.
Hi, and I'm wondering what I'm going to do.
All right, here. Go.
Hi, everyone.
Here.
What I'm doing right now is popping bubbles for some reason. Zai, say hi to the fans. Hi. There you go. Bo just got in my face.
We gotta hold it up.
I'm holding my knife.
Put your mask back on.
Hi, Alexia.
Put your mask back on. Safety first. Isn't this food truck super cute? You guys ready to get in line? You ready to get in line?
Yeah.
You ready to get in line? Pull your mask up. Look at Gigi, guys. All right, tell them, say, I'm going to order my food.
I'm going to order my icy or something.
So ask them what they think you should get. Should you get blueberry? Talk to your people.
What should I get? What should I get? What drink should I get?
Say comment below. Should you get strawberry, raspberry, cotton candy?
Comment down below. Should I get raspberry, strawberry, cotton candy?